Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Kawasaki KX250 motocrosser. Fuel injected, electric start. This is a red sticker bike here in California. Beautiful condition. It's got rental bars, a pro circuit pipe, just a few hours on the engine. Price to sell for just $83.99. Come on by, save all that freight and setup. It's got a custom seat on it. This bike is in beautiful condition. Come on by, make your motocross 250 dreams come true for just $83.99. We have financing available. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.